Greetings my fellow Ugandans. Today I would like to introduce 4 of novel products that Bukona Agro-Processors is bringing into the market. I am quite sure this is going to create a revolution in the clean cooking sector of Uganda. These products include the single burner GREENERGY stove, the double burner GREENERGY stove, the pressure cooker that comes as a free gift upon purchase of any of these 2 products. This is worth 150,000 shillings in the Ugandan market. And finally, the Bio-Ethanol fuel that is used to power these GREENERGY stoves. This comes in a 3-liter HDPE reusable bottle and it is manufactured locally here in Uganda. Allow me show you how to use this GREENERGY stove in just a few simple steps. First of all, make sure you have filled your fuel from this 3-liter bottle to a slightly smaller bottle, roughly 1 liter, and have it ready for use. Then we can come to our stove and pull out the canister, slide it out like this, and you can actually remove it and place it anywhere you're comfortable with. Then you fill the canister slowly. When you're done refilling your canister, make sure you clean all the spillages until it is completely dry. This canister is very safe. Once you fill it, it doesn't spill over, it doesn't explode. It's completely safe. When you're done with that, turn the lever to the extreme left to turn it on. Just get your matchstick and strike it, and then light the canister and push it quickly and firmly into the stove. Use this lever to regulate the heat intensity depending on what you're cooking. And once you're done with your cooking, turn it to the extreme right to put it off. This is the GREENERGY pressure cooker and it comes in a 7.5 or a 5.5 liter pot. When you receive your box of pressure cooker, just remove the box and make sure you assemble all the parts of the pressure cooker. When you're ready to use it, make sure it is clean, especially this hole, the pressure release hole. Make sure it is clean so that your cooking is made easier without any interruptions. Then you can go ahead and fill your pot with whatever that you want to cook. How to use this pressure cooker is actually illustrated in this user manual. The amount of water to use, the quantity of food to be cooked, you have it all in this manual. So it will be easy for you to cook whatever you want to cook within a shorter period of time. So when you have your food ready, and enough water added to it, just get your pressure cooker cover and make sure this arrow on the cover of the pressure cooker is aligned with this handle of the pressure cooker, just like this. Fix it inside like that, and then you press it down to firmly close the pressure cooker, and it's ready to use. Place it on fire. If you're cooking beans, in just 45 minutes the meal will be ready, but then give it around 10 to 15 minutes of retention so that the pressure trapped in here continues with the cooking, and trust me, in less than 1 hour you're ready to eat your meal with your family. Dear countrymen and women, the GREENERGY stove is a must-have in every kitchen because it is healthy and clean, since it doesn't produce soot or smell, and also it is very time-saving. Thank you so much and have a great day.